Hello YouTube, it's me again. So far I've built the first component for my 16-bit CPU, and it's this clock that was designed by Ben Eater. Except the only thing is that I didn't have three 5x5 timers, so I just added an SR latch manually with NOR gates, with a NOR gate, and then I didn't have the potentiometer resistor, so I just have I manually just placed a set resistor for the frequency of the clock. But anyways, let's see this in action, and it's pretty bright for the camera, but yeah, you can see you toggle it in the pulsing mode. It's just gonna be blinking like this, and then when I do this with SR's latch, I can manually pulse it. And then here we have the halt, where when you bring it down to high, it doesn't, it stops the clock basically, halt. And then when you press it back, it's still halting, and then when you bring it down low, the clock starts up again. So now I'm just going to explain a little bit how it works. So here in the beginning we have a 5x5 timer, an astable mode, which basically means that it's pulsing. And then here we have a 5x5 timer in a monostable mode, which basically means that, as suggested before, it's manual. You can pulse the clock manually, and the reason we have that is because sometimes these buttons, when you press them, they aren't always just one click. Sometimes they bounce up and down and click multiple times, so then the clock might jump a little bit forward, and that might really mess up your computer if you're like debugging or something, looking for a problem, and then you find the right spot and you're about to click through the next cycle, but then it clicks a bunch of times when you click on the manual. So yeah, so then the monostable mode, basically when you press it, the button, it only pulses the clock exactly once, no more. And then this clock, you want to switch back between the astable mode and the monostable mode, so there's an SR latch I have here where you just switch between both modes. But then here I have a circuit designed by Ben Eater, and I'll just bring this down. But the chart right here, it's pretty much explains how it works. So here I have wires connecting up to right here. This is a hex inverter, 74LSO4 or NOT gate, and then quad NOT gate, and then here I have 74LSO8 AND gate, and then here I have a 74LS32 OR gate. As you can see, it's wired up around here, so that basically connects up the SR latch to all of these the other 5x5 timers. So then, and then also the halt control all to this clock. So then basically I just plug it back in again. Everything, like the controls work, so if I just click this, then I can manually do it, and remember, it goes exactly once when I press the button, but when I switch this back and the LED turns off, it's basically going through and then connecting up the clock to this 5x5 timer where it's going pulsing. But yeah, this is my clock module for my computer, and pretty much it. Thanks for watching.